Kausapin natin ngayon si Cebu Provincial Administrator Ace Durano. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, Ginoong Durano.
Hi, Corina. Good evening.
Yes, long time no see. So, it's been a while. So, kumusta na po ang Bogo City as we speak? Yan po ang ground zero, hindi po ba?
That's right. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Capitol, but the governor and the rest of her team, I was with her. We were in Bogo for 2 days. We were there the day after, and also, the next day we were there. So yung first day, of course, it was about saving lives. And so the operation was basically in the hospital of Bogo. And since all the patients coming from the different towns were all in that one hospital, the hospital was overwhelmed. And so the priority of GovPAM, and she personally led it, was to decongest the Bogo Provincial Hospital. And we did that by requesting ambulances from neighboring town, as far as from Danao and even from Cebu City, to transport all the patients that can be transported to the other hospitals. So about 5 hours or 6 hours after the influx of patients, the hospital stabilized. And the next step was to really take care of the deceased. Again, within that same day, it was taken care of. So
Ayun,
the day
yes.
after, it turned to, although there were still some rescue operations, that on the next day, it was all about relief operations.
Right.
Kasi karamihan ng mga municipalities na affected, wala pang tubig, wala pang power. So, meaning walang cooked food, no drinking water. So, the relief operations concentrated on those two, ready to eat food as well as drinking water.
So the province is confident that search and rescue can indeed already halt to concentrate on relief operations.
That's right. The following day, Corina, the search and rescue operations were halted.
Okay.
And everyone just focused on the relief operations.
So from 72 to 68, ito pong sinasabi nila na casualty toll. Were there casualties because of absence of medication or not enough space in hospitals? O lahat po ba sila ay diretsong casualties because of the quake?
Yeah, all the deceased that were brought to the hospitals, they were already deceased. So they were victims really of the earthquake, the actual earthquake. And those that were in the hospital were needing different types of levels of medical services. The surgeries had to be brought to the hospital in Danao City, and the more serious surgeries were brought to the hospitals in Cebu City.
May natutulog pa rin po ba sa mga kalye because of the aftershocks? Are there still aftershocks now?
Yes. In fact, yesterday, we still experienced five in the Richter scale na aftershock. So it's still quite strong, although every day it is, the number
Getting
of
less.
aftershocks is less. That's right. It's decreasing every day, as well as the intensity is also decreasing every day. But again, understandably, yung mga tao, takot pa rin sila sa mga bahay nila. And that's the reason why they are camping outside. So part of our relief operations now is really to provide tents.
Anong sabi po ng PHIVOLCS? Hanggang kailan ng mga aftershocks?
It can take weeks. They cannot really pinpoint how many days. I don't think the science is able to pinpoint the length of duration or the duration of the aftershocks. The range is days to weeks.
Okay. So ang inyong panawagan na lamang po sa national government, meron po ba kayong kailangan ipaabot o tulong po na inyong kailangan?
No, actually, Corina, we're so thankful. On the first day, Governor already reached out to the national government. And on that same day, I was able to directly, Governor was able to directly talk to Secretary Rex of DSWD, Secretary Gibo of DND, and even the President. And support immediately arrived on that day. And the following day, there was already a cabinet cluster that arrived on site, and the President visited the following day. So in terms of support coming from the national government, again, Governor Pam is very grateful, is very thankful.
Okay, marami pong salamat sa inyong oras. Ace Durano, Provincial Administrator ng Cebu. Thank you po. Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.